Welcome to this meditation on depth, an attribute of the Wheel of Wisdom. Depth is the quiet stillness within you, where the infinite wisdom of your soul resides. It is not something to search for outside. It is already within. Let us begin this journey inward to discover the boundless depths of your being. Find a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or gently gaze at the Spiritfractal and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Do this 2 more times, feeling your body relax with each breath. Now bring your awareness to the soles of your feet. Imagine roots extending from your feet into the earth. These roots grow deeper and deeper, reaching the core of the earth. With each breath, feel the energy of the earth rising through these roots, anchoring you, grounding you. Feel the steadiness of the earth beneath you, a reminder that no matter what is happening around you, there is a still, stable center within you. This is where we will go now. Now bring your attention to your heart center, the space in the middle of your chest. Imagine a soft golden light glowing there. This light is your inner flame, the spark of your soul, infinite and eternal. With every inhale, see this light grow brighter, With every exhale, feel it spreading outward, filling your chest, your body, and the space around you. Allow this light to guide you inward, deeper into yourself. As you follow the light, you find yourself in a vast, calm ocean. This ocean represents your inner depths. The surface may hold waves of thoughts and emotions, but as you sink gently beneath them, you discover a still, silent world. Feel yourself drifting deeper and deeper to a place where only peace and knowing exist. Here, there is no rush, no fear, no destruction, only stillness. Rest in this silence. Allow yourself to be. As you rest in this space, ask your inner wisdom to reveal itself to you. You might see an image, hear a word, or simply feel a sense of understanding. Trust whatever arises, even if it's just the quiet. Take a moment to simply listen. Listen not with your ears, but with your heart. What is depth telling you? What truth is waiting to be uncovered? If thoughts arise, let them drift away like leaves on the surface of a stream. You are not your thoughts. You are the infinite depth beneath them. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or aloud. Let them resonate with your entire being. I am the depth beneath the surface. Within me is infinite wisdom. I trust the silence to guide me. I am grounded, still, and whole. All wisdom I seek is already within me. Feel the truth of these words echoing in your heart, anchoring you in this deep state of peace. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with the present moment. Know that this depth is always within you. Anytime you need to reconnect, you can return to this still, infinite space. Now, when you're ready, gently open your eyes if they were closed and come back to the room.